Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the bead roller. First, let's take a look at all the parts that come with the bead roller. There's one set of handles, and then you get this set of 3 different measuring cups. This one is marked 18 millimeter, that's the large. This one is 16 millimeter, the medium, and 13 millimeter for the small, and that's embossed right on each of the little cups. And these are samples of those sizes of beads, which are very common in bead making. Then you get 2 trays in each of those sizes. These are the 13 millimeter trays. And notice again how clearly marked they are on the back of the trays. 16 millimeter and 18 millimeter. First, you want to start by filling one of your measuring cups, and I'll just start with the medium, 16 millimeter. You want to fill the little cup with some clay. So I'm just going to pull in a blade that I use all the time. And this is conditioned primo. Just make sure it feels really good and malleable before you fill the cup. Press some into the cup as deeply as you can. Now, if you overfill the cup, it's very simple to just go back and remove a little bit of that clay. There you go. You want to fill it to the completely level spot. This is important for making your beads the same size and the same consistency each time. Now I just take any tool that I want and just pull that lump of clay out now that it's measured. And don't worry that it made a little lump there in the clay, because that's not important. What's important is the volume. Now I'm going to prepare my roller by inserting these 16 millimeter pieces into the handles, one on each side. And there's little guides inside the handle so that you know exactly where these go. Now, my method of working is just to make a little ball and put that right in the center of the tray, and then put one tray on top of the other, and then these slide back and forth like so. As you're sliding, that ball of clay is rolling on those very smooth trays and creating a perfect spherical bead. Then all you have to do is repeat that process with your measuring cup, the corresponding trays, to make perfect beads every time. The bead roller is perfect for all kinds of bead making and jewelry making.